Welcome to Penn State Scranton. My name is Dr. Justina Malinak, Director of Undergraduate Nursing Education here at Penn State Scranton. We deliver the 4-year Ross and Carol Nese College of Nursing program. Our students begin and finish their nursing education right here in Scranton. Our beautifully renovated nursing facility includes 5 simulation suites geared towards medical surgical nursing, labor and delivery, pediatrics, and community and mental health. After taking part in a simulation, students head to our debriefing rooms to review what went on during simulation and learn what could go better next time. We also have a conference room as well as convenient lockers. Fantastic seating areas are a great place to relax or study between classes. And our skills lab really sets the foundation for our sophomore level students who are just beginning their nursing career and those 3rd and 4th year students who want to practice their nursing skills on a regular basis. We are very fortunate to work with our clinical partners in the local community, such as acute care centers, trauma centers, outpatient locations, skilled nursing centers, and drug and alcohol treatment centers. Our nursing graduates typically stay in our community, infusing their new knowledge back into the region by serving local patients.
I chose Penn State Scranton because I like that it's close to home and I can help those in my community at the local hospitals.
We are interested in you coming to the Penn State Nursing program. We would love to show you a tour of the new facility and begin your nursing education with us at the Penn State Scranton location.